Metabolism, it's a word we hear often, but what does it actually mean? In simple terms, metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions happening inside our bodies. It's the process of converting food into energy. This energy powers everything we do, from breathing to thinking, even to dreaming. Imagine your body as a complex machine. Like any machine, it needs fuel to function. Food is our fuel. Metabolism is the engine that breaks down this fuel and converts it into usable energy. This process is not a single event, it's a series of interconnected steps. These steps ensure our bodies get the energy they need. Without metabolism, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Metabolism has two main parts: catabolism and anabolism. Think of them as the yin and yang of our internal energy system. Catabolism is the breakdown process. It's like dismantling a Lego structure. Large molecules from food, like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, are broken down into smaller molecules. This process releases energy. Anabolism is the building up process. It's like using Legos to build something new. It uses energy to create complex molecules our bodies need. These molecules include proteins for muscles, bones, and other essential components. Catabolism and anabolism are constantly happening within us. They work together to keep our bodies in balance. It's a delicate dance of breaking down and building up. Our bodies rely on three main macronutrients for energy: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Each is broken down differently. Proteins are like chains of amino acids. Our bodies break down these chains. This process provides energy and building blocks for new proteins. We need proteins for muscle growth, tissue repair, and many other vital functions. Fats are energy-dense molecules. They are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. These components are then used for energy production. Fats also provide insulation and protect our organs. Carbohydrates, especially glucose, are our body's preferred energy source. They are broken down into glucose. Glucose fuels our cells and provides quick bursts of energy. Each macronutrient plays a crucial role in keeping our metabolic engine running smoothly. A balanced diet ensures we have enough of each fuel source. The workers and managers of metabolism. Enzymes and hormones are essential players in the metabolic drama. They ensure everything runs smoothly. Enzymes are like tiny workers. They speed up chemical reactions. Think of them as catalysts that make metabolic processes more efficient. Without enzymes, these reactions would take far too long. Hormones are the managers. They regulate metabolic processes. They signal to our bodies when to store energy and when to release it. Hormones like insulin and glucagon play crucial roles in controlling blood sugar levels. Enzymes and hormones work together. They orchestrate the intricate dance of metabolism. This ensures our bodies have the energy they need. The energy factories: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. Now, let's dive into the heart of the metabolic machinery, the metabolic pathways. These are a series of chemical reactions that extract energy from food. Glycolysis is the first step. It takes place in the cytoplasm of our cells. During glycolysis, glucose is broken down into pyruvate. This process generates a small amount of ATP, the energy currency of our cells. The Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, is the next step. It takes place in the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. Pyruvate is further broken down. This releases carbon dioxide and generates more ATP. Finally, we reach oxidative phosphorylation. This is the most complex and efficient stage of energy production. It takes place in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. These three pathways work together seamlessly. They extract the maximum amount of energy from our food. The final act, oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation is the grand finale of cellular respiration. It's here that the majority of ATP is produced. Imagine a series of pumps and turbines. Electrons derived from the food we eat are passed along a chain of molecules. This creates a flow of energy. This energy is used to pump protons across a membrane. This pumping action creates a proton gradient. It's like damming up water. This stored energy is then released. It powers an enzyme called ATP synthase. ATP synthase acts like a turbine, using the proton flow to generate ATP. Oxidative phosphorylation is a remarkable example of biological efficiency. It's a testament to the elegance and complexity of the natural world. By understanding these processes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible symphony of reactions happening inside us every second. It's a reminder that we are more than just the sum of our parts. We are walking, talking ecosystems powered by the energy of the universe.